Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to build a room. So in there I will draw rectangle and you can set dimensions like into 3500, comma 3500. Next use offset tools, click these icons and I will offset into 150. I'll use pull tools to convert into 3D and move into here. Like I will set for the height to 150, sorry, to 1500. The next, use rectangle tools and click at this point. So we create hole. Okay, you can use pull tools to click hold and then move into here. So to be cut the hole. To set the furniture, you can use the components. You can click at this the right steps and we have the components. Okay, this is in models and you also can use the components. There are for three options. You can use a component sampler, dynamic, or SMLC. I will use the sampler. You can scroll down. Like in there we use this bed component. You can click, hold, and then you can move into here. Like this. You also can move again to the top. Or you can rotate the objects into 90 degree and then move again into here. Very easy for you to place the components. Okay, the component I will insert again, like I will go to dynamic components and use this basic solving units. You can click from this point and we can rotations from the two axis into 90 degree and we can move again into here. Okay. Another option, you also can use the components from the warehouse. You can go to 3D warehouse sketchup.com and in there you can search, like I will search for door and you can download. After download, you can go to file, click import and then search for your files. I will use this door, click import and you can attach into the drawing. Now we also can rotate against these objects into 190 degree and then we move like from this counter points, move into this counter point. Okay. Next, we can fit these walls by using pull tools. You can select out this face, move into here. And then also in the top, click from this face, move into this point. To set the material on or color, you can double click on walls and then go to materials. I will use the color and I will use this color. You can click and then click again into the selected object. So to be changed the color. So that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorials how to build a room. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.